Yeah, I think the first game always in a tournament is very important that we start with the right tone. I thought the boys had a great attitude going into the game. We were very positive with the ball on the field as well. So the batting has to be the key point, especially in the subcontinent. But to be fair on the Canadians, I thought they bowled really well. I mean, they bowled good areas to start off with. Dilshan couldn't get away. Neither did Dupul, but I think it was important for us to make sure we kept wickets in hand. It was a good partnership between Kumar and myself. We needed to change that rhythm a bit in that middle overs, which we managed to do that and take control of the game. So, all in all, I mean, you put into certain situations and you need to handle those situations accordingly. I thought we did that very well today.
Mahela, there was a couple of times the UDRS was used against you in the course of your innings for caught behind decisions. Not specifically referring to those decisions. What's your take on having a UDRS in place if hotspot is not going to be used during the World Cup?
Yeah, I think that's probably the downside to it. I think the hotspot, I don't think they have the Sneeko as well, so that's a bit of a concern. But I think I'm a big fan of the UDRS. I think, if we have technology, if we can use it in a certain way, we should. I mean, they have a couple of LBW decisions which, they turned around, which is a good thing. I think you need to make sure that, there are fair decisions being made, and we need to help the umpires, especially the conditions and all that. It's not easy for them to, make correct decisions all the time. So I think, but like I said, I mean, the downside is that, if there's more technology, if possible, we should use it, yeah.
Mahela, opening to a match of the tournament, and you all decided not to play Lasith Malinga. Any particular reason?
Well, Lasith had a bit of a back strain. He played the West Indies games as well, so we didn't want to risk him. He bowled yesterday. He was okay, but given the fact that, we've got a couple of crucial games coming up, we felt that, he should get a break. I think, he'll get into his stride in the next few days and should be okay for the Pakistan game.
Sri Lankan late middle order struggle continues after you and Sangakkara put a good platform. Then the power play started and wickets were falling back to back. What's your opinion about that?
Well, you can't take that. I mean, those guys went on to accelerate, obviously, and obviously you need to, we will lose a few wickets. I mean, there was another case, they could have just taken a runner ball and, we would have probably get 300 and we would have been happy. But that's the thing. I mean, the guys are doing some dirty work for us, so we need to appreciate that. It's not that, they're not, focusing on their opportunities. I think when the right time comes, I think we saw in the West Indies games, the middle order clicked against Holland. They batted really well. So it's just a preparation. I think everyone's got a role to play in our team. And according to those situations, they will come up and play those roles. It's not that they're getting out. It's like no point them going and just blocking the balls, not getting out. They're doing a job for the team. It's called dirty work, and they're quite happy to do that, and we appreciate that as well.
The decision to cut Associate Nations from the Cricket World Cup, from the next World Cup onwards, it's been met with a lot of criticism. Mostly from Associate Nations, but even from the England camp, there's been a bit of criticism regarding the decision. I want to know what your take on this is. Do you think it will be detrimental to the growth of cricket to the spread of cricket around the world, or do you think to focus more on 2020 will be more advantageous for those nations?
I have to be very honest. This is like the first time I've heard that, and it's very difficult for me to comment on that. But is it from the next World Cup? Okay, and how many teams?
So it's going to be cut down to 10. So basically,
10 teams.
Yeah, the test
okay. It's just out of my head. I think, it's going to be a tough call, I guess. But I think associate members should be around as well, because I think Sri Lanka was an associate member not far long ago. I think 75 and 79. I think both the World Cups we played as associate members. So I think you need to give them that opportunities. If not, then they need to be playing a lot more, regular cricket, probably with the top nations, maybe on and off. They need to organize certain things so that, their cricket can be improved. I think, cricket is a global game, and, we need to try and, make sure that, everyone plays and try and come to those standards, hopefully one day.
Well, now the next game is a big one against Pakistan. How do you rate Pakistan as a team?
Well, they're a very, very good side. I think, they've got some really good individual players, and we've played them quite often, and we know how dangerous they can be. So we have to do our homework right and prepare ourselves and go with a very positive mindset. And I think everyone's looking forward to the opportunity to play Pakistan at Khettarama.
About the pitch,
Yeah.
this looks more like an Indian pitch than a Sri Lankan pitch because this doesn't seem to take too much spin either.
We don't live that far away from India. It's the same conditions. But I saw the wickets in Chennai and Bangalore. I thought they had much more spin there. I thought these wickets are much more fair. I think got a bit of bounce for the fast bowlers movement. There is a bit more spin and bounce for the spinners. I thought that was a much more fair wicket. Because going into a World Cup, you don't want to, playing like really big turners, because then the toss will come into play as well. So you don't want to take that risk, especially when you're playing good teams. So you need to prepare. I thought, we need to prepare good wickets, suits us, bit slow, bit turn, but not like, really big turners, because, then the toss will come into play.